अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास 7। But unmute yourself. We have to discuss workbook today. Unmute yourself. Yes. Next. Better take out your workbook and unmute yourself, all of you. And boys, please turn on your camera. Boys, turn on your camera. Okay. Okay, wait. Amina. Betty, can you listen my sound? Okay, Betty, we have to start today a workbook. So please take out your workbook along with your pencil. Hurry up, beta. Unmute yourself. Okay. Yes. And boys, turn on your camera. Ji bete, we have to do workbook chapter number 1. So take out your workbook. Take out your workbook, heating and cooling. Okay. And this is given chapter page number 2. Taken out page number 2, chapter number 1. And hold pencils in your hands. Okay. So I will discuss with you the answers. Okay. And these all answers are also given in your homework. Okay. So come to the first question. Question number 1. Okay. Question number 1 is there, state whether the following statements are true or false. Bete, unmute yourself. If you have any issues, you can discuss with me in the class. Okay. And boys only turn on their cameras. Ji bete, look at your book. Question number 1. Question number 1. State whether the following statements are true or false. Okay. So number 1 question is that the coldest part of a fridge is at the bottom. Is it true or false?
True.
Is it true or false? True.
This is false.
No, this is true. Okay. The compressor is fitted in the bottom of the fridge. Okay. So this one is true. Now come to second part. Radiated heat always travels downwards. Radiated
False.
heat. No.
False.
Are you sure?
Yes, teacher.
Keep in your mind your lesson.
Yes, teacher, it is false. Teacher, it's
This
true.
is yes,
It is
this
true.
is false. This is false. Radiated heat always travels downwards. Sometimes it can travel upwards. Okay, so this is false. Now number 3, in hot sunny climate, houses are often painted white to keep them warm inside. Is it
False.
true or false? False.
False.
Yes, this is false.
False.
Now number 4.
The first one is true.
Which question?
First one.
But if first one is true, second one is false, and third one is also false. In hot, sunny climate, houses are often painted white to keep them warm inside. We have discussed in the chapter that they are painted white to keep the houses cool. Okay, so number 3 is also false. Then come to number 4. Insulation works by trapping air in the spaces between the material. True and false?
True.
True. This
True,
is,
teacher.
yes, this is true. Number 5, a vacuum flask can keep liquids at a constant temperature for several days.
False.
This is false. Yes. Now, students, I am repeating the answer. Check it again carefully. Okay. Number 1 is true. Bete, please say yes or no. Number 2 is false.
Yes.
Number 3 is false.
Yes.
Number 4 is
Yes.
true. And number 5 is
Yes.
Yes.
yes. Now come
Yes.
to question number 2. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Question number 1. Which of these surfaces is best at radiating heat? Black, blue, red, white. Which
Black.
one?
Black.
Number
Black.
yes. Number 2. Which of these surfaces is best at absorbing heat?
Black.
Blue, red,
Black.
black.
White.
Black.
Oh,
Black?
black. We also discussed in the chapter that black is are good emitters and absorbers. Okay. Number 3, a vacuum flask is able to keep a cold liquid cold because it. Okay. You also discussed the features of vacuum flask.
Option number
Okay. So A option is decrease the rate at which heat flows into the liquid. B decreases the rate at which heat flows out of the liquid. Increases the rate at which heat flows into the liquid, and option D increases the rate at which heat flows out of the liquid. So which one is correct?
Part A.
teacher. A option. A option.
Question number 3.
Decrease the rate at which heat flow into the
Teacher. A option.
Yes, you are right. Option A is correct. Decreases the rate at which heat flows into the liquid. Yes. Okay, now come to question number 4. Bete, be attentive in the class. Question number 4. Plants grow better in a greenhouse in early spring because. Okay, the options are given. Heat from the sun warms the inside of the greenhouse. Option B, seeds germinate in the spring. Option C, the greenhouse stops too much heat getting to the plants. And option D, the young plants are sheltered from the rain. So which is the correct? Question number
Option
four.
A. Option A.
Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Heat from the sun warms the inside of the greenhouse. Option A is the correct answer. Come to question number 5. In dry weather, okay, the water in a puddle soon disappears because it. The options are
A.
A evaporates into the air, B is drunk by small animals, C soaks into the ground below, and the option D spreads outwards to the surrounding ground. Which is the correct?
Option number. Option A. A option.
Option A is correct. Evaporates into the air. Okay. I am repeating the answer again. Check it again. Question number 2, option 1. Question 1, option A is correct. Done.
Yes.
Question number 2, option A is again done. Question number 2, option A. Question number 3, option A. Question number 4, option A. And question number 5, option A. Have you done?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, come to the next question. Question number 3. The graph shows how a substance cools after being removed from heat. Okay. This graph is given in your book. You can see. Okay. This graph is given in your book. Okay. So follow this graph. Look at the graph. The graph shows how a substance cools after being removed heat. Okay. You can see along x-axis time is given, and along y-axis temperature is given. Along x-axis time is given, and along y-axis temperature is given. Okay. So use the graph to answer the following questions. Where is the maximum heat loss? Okay. You can also see some points are given on the graph. A, B, C, and D. Okay. So you have to follow these points. Use the graph to answer the following question. Where is the maximum heat loss? A, B, C, or D? So look at the graph. Yes.
B.
Yes. The right answer is B. Yes. B part, where is the minimum heat loss? A, B, C or D?
D.
D.
Yes, right answer D. C part, what is the temperature at point C? What is the
30 degrees
30 degrees.
you can see here, okay, if you follow the screen, you can see this is C and along with y-axis, you can see here is the temperature 30 degrees centigrade, okay? So write into your book 30 degrees centigrade. Now question number 2, what is the room temperature? What is the room temperature?
15 degrees Celsius.
15 degrees
15 degrees Celsius, yes. Okay, now question number 3. Draw two more cooling lines on the graph with the following characteristics. Same starting temperature, higher room temperature, and second higher starting temperature, lower room temperature. Okay, so you have to draw two lines here. How much temperature is increasing and how temperature is decreasing. Okay, so this answer is given in your homework. So follow your homework. I have given you printed homework. So follow homework. The lines are drawn. So you have to draw line here to follow your homework. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Come to the next question. Next page. This is your question number 4. This is your question number 4. Which description matches the word? Okay, the option is given. Draw a line between the word and its description. One has been done for you. Okay, better keep in your mind. Don't draw line on your book. Okay, you have to write numbers. I show you. You have to write numbers.
Teacher.
जी बेटे बेटे this is question number 4. Look at here. You can see I have right numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you will match number with other column. Okay, what will you do? You will match these numbers with this column. Okay, so lines are drawn. Don't draw the lines. Is it clear? Have you given the numbers on your book?
Yes.
Okay. Now first point is that first is already done, melting. Okay, and you can see the line. It is matched with the statement when a solid is warm, the particles move faster until some break free and becomes part of the liquid. Okay, so melting match with the statement when a solid is warm. Okay, second is evaporation. So evaporation statement match with when heat is applied to a liquid. Okay, the last statement of your column, when heat is applied to a liquid, the particles move faster still. At the surface, the faster particles break free to form a gas above it. This is number 2. This statement match with evaporation. So write here number 2. Now number 3 is condensing. Okay, so condensing match with when heat energy is, yes, first one, when heat energy is removed from a gas, its temperature falls. The gas particles slow down and move closer together. Eventually they will come close enough to form a liquid. Okay, so condensing number 3 match with first statement. Then freezing. Freezing match with as a liquid cools down. As a liquid cools down, its particles slow down. Eventually, they will start to form a framework which is typical of a solid. Freezing match with as a liquid cools down. Done?
Yes.
Yes, and the last one is left, mass is conserved. So it will match with, in a change of state, only the behavior of the particles changes. The actual particles remain the same all the time. So this statement match with mass is conserved. Done? Done?
Yes.
Okay. So I am repeating your answers. Check the other column. Okay, bete, check your other column. First statement is number 3. second is number 5, third match with number 4, and fourth match with number 1, and fifth match with number 2. Have you done all of you? Have you done all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Girls, are you?
फिर repeat कर दे.
Okay, bete. Bete, you have to follow the second column. Okay. This column you have to follow. I'm telling you the numbers of this side. Okay. So first statement will get the number 3. Second statement will match with number 5. Third statement match with number 4. Fourth statement match with number 1. And last statement match with number 2. Done, beta? Girls, are you listening? Is that clear? Any question? Girls, are you doing? Okay, beta, come to the next question. Come to page number 5 of your workbook. Okay, question number 5. The diagram shows 6 articles that you could find in a home. Each one has a job which has something to do with heat flow. We all of know, if you see the diagram in your book, there are 6 different articles are given. Okay? And these articles are used at our homes. Okay. So first is table mat. It is made of cork. Second is given frying pan. It is made of steel. Third is given handle of kitchen turner made of wood. Fourth is the blanket made of wool. Second is base of an iron made of aluminium. And the last one is central which is made of copper. Okay. So look at these articles and they have their specific function, specific job. Now come to the question. First question is that work out what job each article does and write your ideas in the table. Okay. So don't write now because I have given these answers in your homework. I will just discuss with you. Okay. For example, first is given table mat. We all of know, if you see the diagram, table mat is made of, tell me, table mat is made of? Yes. Cork. So what is the function of table mat? Prevents heat from a hot utensil reaching the table. Why do we use table mat? We put table mat on the table. That's why the heat does not reach to the utensil. Okay. Do not reach to the pot. Okay. So this is its job. This job is written in the homework. Okay. So you can write from your homework. Second one is frying pan. Frying pan is made of steel. Yes. And its function is allow heat to get burner to Better please stop noise. Stop noise. Okay, bete. Frying pan. What is the function of frying pan? Allow heat to get from burner to food. So it stops heat to reach the. So it allow heat from burner to food. Definitely, we cook something into a frying pan. Third one is handle of kitchen turner. So it's full. Bete, please. Wood. Bete, who's making a noise? Please don't disturb the class. Who is there? I said stop the noise. Now, bete, a second one is that handle of kitchen turner. Definitely, it is made of wood. So, what is the function of this turner? Stops heat reaching the hand from the heated utensil. I think I should give to you. This is last warning. Stop the noise. Okay, bete. Next is base of iron. Definitely, we all use iron at our home. So its base is made of, you can also see in the picture, it is made of aluminium. So what is its function? Allow heat to pass from iron to clothes. Definitely, that's why our clothes are pressed. Next is the blanket. We all use blanket at our home, and in picture it is given, it is made of wool. So what is the job of wool? Yes, traps air, so keeping warm by retaining warm air. Okay, so what is the function of blanket? It traps air, okay, and traps air, so keeping you warm by retaining warm air. Okay, next is hot water cylinder. You can see in the diagram. Its job is, it is made of copper, allow heat to get from burner to water in boiler. Is it clear? Is it clear, beta? Okay. Now come to the next question. Question number 5, second part. Below
Yeah, but
are...
it will not.
जी बेटे,
Teacher, it will not come full in the table.
repeat your question. Repeat your
Teacher,
question.
the place where we have to write it, it is small and the answer is big. How can we write it?
Beta, you have to manage yourself. You have to write in a small writing. Okay. So beta, second is below are 2 columns with separate headings. Write the name of the 6 articles under the correct headings. Now you will tell me. Okay. You can see question number 5, 6 diagrams are given. Table mat, frying pan, handle of kitchen turner, blanket, iron, base of an iron, and central heating boiler. Okay, so you have to tell me above these diagrams which are conductors and which are insulator. So first one, you tell me who is a conductor. Yes,
Steel.
frying pan made of...
Conductor.
So what is steel? Steel is a conductor. Second,
Conductor.
aluminium, base of
Copper.
iron. Base of iron is made of aluminium. So what is this? It is a conductor. Third one is
Aluminium.
central heating boiler.
Copper.
It is
Copper.
made of boiler. Oh, sorry, it is made of copper. Yes. So there are 3 conductors in the diagram: steel, aluminium, and copper. Now tell me the insulators. Which is
Wood,
Gigi?
wood, wool, and cork.
Wood, cork, and
Wood.
wood, cork, and wool. Yes, you are right. Now come to the next question. Next page. Next page, page number 6. Page number 6, part 3. The diagram shows some oven glasses. We all know, we all are familiar oven glasses. We oftenly use in our kitchen to take out something from oven. Okay, so look at the glass and give the answer. What are oven glass used for? Why do we use the oven glass?
To pick out hot from oven.
To hold hot pan or hot oven tray.
Yes. Shabash. To hold hot pans or hot oven tray. Yes. Okay. B part. Should the oven glass be made from a conductor or an insulator? What are they? Are they
An
conductor?
insulator.
Insulator.
Yes, they are insulator. Yes. Now C part. Explain your answer. So what is the meaning of insulator? What do you mean by insulator?
An insulator would not allow heat to pass through them.
Yes, Shabash. An insulator is a substance that does not allow heat to pass through it. Yes, you are right. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 6, page number 6. You can also see a diagram is given in your workbook. The diagram shows a hot water storage tank. Okay, so this is a storage tank in which you can store hot water. Okay, the tank has a heater at the bottom, definitely, as you use geysers at your home. Okay, so they have a heating point at the bottom of the geyser. So like that, this is a water storage tank. The tank has a heater at the bottom which heats the water. Okay, this is a statement which is given in the questions. Okay, so you can also see this diagram. Okay, you can also see this diagram which is given in your book. Okay, so some points are given on your diagram: A, B, C, D. Okay, then the point is mentioned. Okay, this is water heater point, and there is another point mentioned, cold water. Okay, from where the cold water comes into a storage tank, and there is a heater point which warms the water, and there is A, B, C, D point is given. Okay. Now come to question number 1. Explain why the heater is fitted at the bottom of the tank. Why the heater is fitted at the bottom of the tank? What is the reason?
Cold water is denser than warm water, so settles at the bottom of the tank.
Yes, the cold water is denser than warm water, so settles at the bottom of the tank. Why heater is put it at the bottom of the tank? Because we have discussed in the chapter that cold water is denser than hot water. So definitely cold water will stay at the bottom of the tank. So we will fit the heater at the bottom of the tank. Okay. Yes, you are right. Next part, where would be the best place to put a pipe to carry hot water from the tank?
D part. D part.
A part.
Ji bete?
A
A part.
A. Yes, A part is the right part from where we can put the point to get the hot water. Now question number 2, A part. Explain your answer.
Hot water is less dense and would rise to the top of the tank. Therefore, point A would be suitable.
Yes, yes, you are right. Good answer. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Come to the next page, page number 7. Hot water tanks are sometimes kept under a protective cover. Okay, this is oftenly happen in that area which are very snowy areas. For example, in Murray and other northern areas where there is snow and there is too much cold in the winter. So hot water tanks, because they are adjusted on the top of the floor, so sometimes they are covered by a protective layer. They are covered by a thick jacket. Okay, so the under surface of the cover often gets dirty with dust from the floor. So the inside of the tank oftenly covered with the dust. To suggest how the dust gets onto the under surface of the cover. So in this part, the question is that how the dirt reach under the surface of the cover. How the dirt reach under the surface of the cover. So what will be your answer? What do you think?
Hot air rises carrying along with it dust particles
Hot air
from the
rises
floor.
pulling along with it dust particles from the floor.
Yes, right answer. Hot water rises pulling along with the dust particles from the floor. Yes, you are right. Okay, now come to question number 7. This diagram is given. It is a thermos flask. Question number 7. A thermos flask statement is given. A thermos flask can keep drinks hot or cold for hours. This is because it has several features which reduces the amount of heat energy flowing out of it. The diagram shows how a thermos flask is constructed. Okay, you can also see in your book, screw top made of plastic. Screw top is given. It is made of plastic. Then there is vacuum, a space with all the air removed, and there is a silvery surface inside vacuum container. We all of know that every thermos flask, under the thermos flask, there is a shiny and glassy surface. Okay, so we have to follow these features and we have to give the answer. So question number 1, explain how the thermos flask prevents heat loss by conduction. So if you observe the
top made
yes.
Screw tops made
screw
up
top
of
made of plastic stop heat loss by conduction.
Okay, this answer is given by Fatima or Rana?
No, Fatima.
Yes, Fatima.
Fatima.
Yes, your answer is right. And next, who was giving the answer? Except Fatima, next who was giving the answer? Okay. Okay, bete, a screw top because it is made of plastic, so heat loss by conduction. Okay, next part is that convection. So which part is playing the role of convection? B part.
Vacuum between the inner and outer layer of the bottle stop heat
Yes.
loss by radiation
Yes.
as heat rays are reflected
Yes,
back.
good answer. What is a vacuum? Vacuum between the inner and outer layer of the bottle stops heat loss by convection. And the last one is silvery. silvery surface. So silvery surface, silvery inside surface. Yes, 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 Fatima.
Radiation, silvery surface inside.
Caused by radiation as the heat rays are reflected back.
Beta, give answer one by one. Okay, yes, you are right, Fatma. Then your answer is also right. And what about the others? They are not giving the answer. Heather Abbas, Haya, Abdul Rahman. Beta, why are you not giving me answer? Haya Ali. Beta, do you understand the answer?
Yes, miss.
Haya, is there any confusion, beta?
Yes.
Is there
No,
any?
miss.
No. Okay. Okay, beta, now tell me, I have told you that conduction is happened through screw top, convection is happened through vacuum between the air spaces, and radiation is happened through silvery surface inside vacuum container. Okay, now question number 7, part 2. Why is a thermos flask good at keeping drinks cold as well as hot? G, what will be the answer?
Prevent heat loss to the outside and it prevent heat loss to the outside and stop outside.
Yes, silvery surfaces. Yes, you are right. Silvery surfaces and spaces between the walls of the thermos flask. Okay, they stop the heat loss and they stop the heat to come inside. Yes, you are right. Okay, come to the next page. Next page, page number 8. Design a container that could be used to carry hot food from a takeaway to your home without the food going cold. Draw a diagram of your design and label any special features. Explain why you have included these features in your design. Okay, so this diagram is given in your book, in your homework. Okay, so you have to draw diagram yourself. Okay, now come to the next question. Question number 8. This is page number 9. Question number 8. Explain each of the following statements. Okay, some statements are given. You have to give the answer. Houses in hot countries are often painted white. We also discussed in that chapter why the houses are painted white in hot countries. To keep them warm or to keep them cool?
Because it reflects most of the light. Because it reflects most of the light and because it reflects most of the light and poor absorber.
Shabash. So it helps to keep houses cool. So the houses oftenly painted white to keep the houses cool inside. Okay, yes, your answer is right. Who is there? Who gave the answer? Fatima?
Note for yes.
Okay, good. And there are other girls. Anna is not giving answer. And Aya is not giving answer. Okay, bete. B part. Car radiators are painted matte black. Why car radiators are painted matte black? What is the answer?
Black is a better emitter of thermal radiation than shiny surface.
Shabash. Black is a better emitter of thermal radiations than a shiny surface. Shabash. Good answer. Now C part. Anyone standing near a bonfire feels a draught. Okay. So what will be your
Hot air
answer?
rises from the bonfire, causing cool air to take its place. A convection current is set up and a person can feel a
causing
draught.
cool air to take its place. Convection current is set up and the person can feel it.
Hanji, shabash. Right, your answer is right. Now come to part D. If you stand in front of an open refrigerator, you get cold feet. What is the reason?
Cold air being denser than the hot air settles at the top of the refrigerator. This escapes
at the bottom of the refrigerator.
as the door of the refrigerator is open.
Betty, give answer one by one. Okay. Okay. Next, Zain, I have listened your answer. Now, next one, who wants to give the answer? Next, who wants to? Yes, Bhuvan.
Teacher, which one?
E.
Give me the answer. D part, if you
Okay.
stand in front of an open refrigerator,
By flying up, birds trap air between their feathers, forming an insulation layer.
Bete, I never asked this question. You are not attentive. I asked part D. If you stand in front of an open refrigerator, you get cold feet.
Cold air being denser than hot air settles at the bottom of the refrigerator. This escapes as the refrigerator door is kept open.
Shabash. Okay, now next part is that birds fluff out their feathers in winter. Next, who will give the answer? Abdul Rahman is not giving answer. Amnashfiq is not giving answer. Haya is not giving answer. Beta, tell me. Birds fluff out their feathers in winter. What is the reason? Please tell me the answer. Yes.
By fluffing up,
Air
birds
gets
trap
trapped
air
between
between their feathers, forming an
Okay.
insulation layer.
Okay. Now Zain, tell
Air
me the
get
answer.
trapped between the holes. Air get trapped between the holes of the string vest and the tight shirt, preventing heat loss.
Shabash. Good answer. Okay. Now, beta, F part. A saucepan has a copper bottom but a plastic handle.
A saucepan has a copper
A
bottom,
saucepan has a
conductor
copper bottom to
to
absorb
absorb
heat from the cooker.
but it has a plastic handle and insulator so that the hands do not get burned.
Okay.
Our
Good
hands
answer.
do not get
Okay. Okay, Sam. Now, Haya, you tell me the answer. Haya, you tell me the answer.
Miss, a saucepan has a copper bottom to absorb heat from the cooker, but it has a plastic handle so that our hands don't get burnt.
Yes. Good answer. Okay, beta. Now your lecture has been ended. The rest of the work we will do inshallah on Monday. Okay, and then your first chapter will be finished. And after that, then we will start the next chapter. Okay. So thank you so much. Now you can ask me any question if you have any issue in any part, and if you don't understand anything, you can ask me.
जब बाकी कल कराएंगे जब क्लास होगी फ्राइडे को
जी बेटे.
अब बाकी कल कराएंगे.
Definitely, the remaining question will be discussed in the class, in next class. Okay. Or any part of the chapter which you don't understand it. Ji bete. Umar Noor Shamsi. Umar Noor Shamsi. Turn on your camera. Umar Noor Shamsi. Umar Noor Shamsi. Bete, I'm calling you. Turn on your camera. Bete, is this chapter clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have done all work. Okay, we have done all. We have done the lesson. We have done the exercise. We have done the workbook. Okay, and the whole the homework which I have sent you, you have to write all things in your registers. Okay. So if there is no issue, anyone want to ask anything? 1 minute is left. Ji bete, anyone? Fatma, do you want to ask anything?
What teacher?
Okay. It means this chapter is clear to you.
Yes.
Okay, bete. Now your lecture has been ended. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.